So lately I've been trying to test out a whole bunch of new inexpensive filaments, and today I'm going to try some Camel from GearBest in gray, and we'll see how it does. Compare it on the Tron and the Monoprice and maybe some other printers and just see how it performs. So with that, we'll opening the package up. It's very nicely vacuum sealed, and it's a unique spool, one I haven't seen before, so I don't think it's coming from any of the local manufacturers. And this is a really light gray, like a whitish gray. So give it a shot here. And this, I'm going to take some measurements and see how
consistent 1.74 across the board, which is perfect.
For testing purposes to start out, I'm going to start on the Tron XY-X1, and we'll see how it does. All right, we're starting on the print, and just sitting at a nice temperature of 205 for this first one. So it's finishing up off the Tron XY-X1, and I really need to build a cooling fan for this thing, but I just haven't done it yet. But the PLA itself is looking fabulous. This is fantastic. So I'll test it on some other machines and get overall very happy so far. Camel is printing fantastic in PLA. There's some problems on the back that has to do with the glue I used. I really wanted a good adhesion, but other than that, perfect prints. Camel is printing really well. The Camel PLA. This is a bearing mount for my CNC routers I'm building, and it is working really good. I'm printing at about 210, and that seems to be the sweet spot for my machine.
There, you can see this 12-hour print is doing just fine. So this has worked out pretty good.
I did a high precision print with the Camel in gray. This was a 24-hour print, and it is phenomenal. It looks great. No warpage. A little bit of stringing, but that's from the machine, not the filament. Beautiful.